means in the actual usages, any packet is there. Means if you want to insert any error logic, there we will add that logic. For example, if you are getting any packet there, so we can modify that packet there. Okay, like I'm modifying here, right? D.x to 100. So we can modify if any packet is coming, we can change that packet to some other value. Okay, in that way we can inject our error logic in the driver instead of in the sequence item there. We can add, we can inject error in the driver itself. You understood this concept, right?
I understand.
Again, driver depends on the driver CB. So both are interdependent here. So driver CB has a driver D, and the driver is having the driver callback class. So both are interdependent. So you cannot compile both parallelly. So I declare type def class driver here. Okay. Okay.
Okay, yeah, got it.
So now I will show
Why
that
Manoj is not joining?
this is compiled driver. Okay. In this example, just I have taken X to explain you something. Just here I took a X value
Yeah,
here. Just to explain whether we can able to modify inside the driver.x in our callbacks or not. So d.x is equal to 5. I change here d.x. So same. If you run this one, it will first I'm injecting log db. Later I'm injecting log callback and error callback and our actual driver. Okay. After driver again post callback, one more callback is that is for the log cb. So this is this one. Swati? Callback of 0 means both this is empty queue, so that behavior won't execute it. So only this 29 line only will be executed. So that's why output you can see only driver sending packet only here. If you see this output, only driver sending packet came in the output. So if you want, you can, example, if I added only error, so yeah, same example, so you can add anything. If you add only error, see now you can see the error callback information here. Error callback injecting error x is equal to 100, driver sending packet. Okay. Okay. If you are adding callback, then only those will be added. That code is added in the runtime. Otherwise, the original code is only executed.
Okay. One last time.
In my driver code. Right? In my driver code, I have added this callbacks dot presend of this here callbacks dot percent of this. Suppose if these are not there, so then we cannot add our logic there. Okay.
Exactly.
Means
So
these are like say hooks. Okay. Means if without hooks we cannot add our logic there. Okay. For example, if we are using any third-party VAP in our test benches, for example. Okay. Means if you want to alter their code, definitely they should provide some hooks. Otherwise, we cannot use the callbacks for their code. Okay. Definitely they should provide some hooks. There we can attach our code there. Okay. If you want to attach our code, they should provide a hook. Otherwise, we cannot attach our code to their driver or their thing. Okay. So while implementing their driver or something, so they will provide these hooks. If there are no hooks, means there is no possibility we can use callbacks. We cannot do that one. Because mostly in our industry, we are using third-party VAPs only. So we cannot change If they don't provide any hooks, we cannot add our logic. So mostly all VAPs, they will provide these hooks, because otherwise it is not a proper VAP only.
Okay.
See, generally, uh, means this error injection, for example, just error injection we can done in the two places. One in the sequence item, and another one is in the driver. Okay. So in the sequence item, for example, if you are preparing one packet, for example, for that packet you are calculating the CRC value. Okay. Assume one Ethernet packet is there. You are calculating source address, destination address, packet. For that, you are calculating the CRC. So that will be done in the sequence item only. If you want to add a native logic, so you can change that CRC value only while preparing that sequence item. Okay, means that is one of the way to inject the error in that CRC logic in the sequence item only. Okay, another one is like, for example, in the driver, actually, in the driver we cannot use uh, we cannot inject error like this CRC error, because we don't use in that purpose. In that purpose, sequence item is the best place to inject error, not in the driver in such cases. Okay, in the driver, actually mainly it is used for the BFM, right? Driver. Actually, driver is a BFM, means it's a bus functional model. Here protocol will be there, right? So means here packet will come to from the sequence item, it will come to the driver. From that, it will drive into the interface, right? Actually, that is the main purpose of driver, right? Driver purpose is it will get the sequence item and it will drive based on the protocol of that interface, right? So if you want to insert any protocol errors, then that time we can use this means we can add a error logic in the driver. Okay. So means any protocol violations, if we want to exercise, in those cases we can use this callbacks. So just study means just you can read one time. Means driver is for protocol violations, not for the packet error injection logic. Mostly.
Application point of view, we will be more looking into that UVM when we will move to the.
Yeah, I will tell that time.